Hello, my name is Miss Carroll. I am one of the 3 7th grade science teachers here at DeWitt Perry Middle School, and this is our virtual open house. So our learning this year is going to be happening on Canvas. If you need access to Canvas, you can get to it at this link, cfbisd.instructure.com. Okay, parent communication. We have parent self-serve, parent square announcements, social media, and our marquee outside off of Beltline. Okay, if for some reason you're not getting parent square updates, that means we do not have current contact information for you, and you'll need to contact student services to update that information. To contact me, move that out of the way. My conference time is 9 to 9:45 each morning. Here's my email, my website for our class, and if you need to schedule a conference, I have a link here that will direct you to my Google Calendar where you can schedule a conference. This is my 15th year teaching science. I taught for 10 years in Houston and then moved up here to be closer to family, taught high school for a year, and then I joined DeWitt Perry. I do have 2 children of my own. My son's 11, just started 6th grade. My daughter is almost 6, and this is her first year in school. She's in kindergarten. My husband works overseas about half the year, and I recently completed my master's in educational technology, and I'm now working on a certificate to be a diagnostician. This is my wild family, my son, daughter, husband, and myself. This year we are studying minerals and rocks. We actually started with Nature of Science review, but now we're already into minerals and rocks. Next we will explore planet Earth and then deserts and grasslands during the first semester. Second semester we will move on to forests, chemistry, physics, and space. Remote learning expectations. I do expect students to be active in class daily, and that can have several different ways that can happen. Okay, they can attend live sessions if they feel like they need more instruction or help with an assignment. I do ask that they be on time if they're looking for additional help. Microphones need to be off unless they're speaking. Camera is optional because a lot of the things that we do are virtual labs, and having the camera on will slow the computer down if it's on all the time. But if you're on camera, you need to be dressed properly. Using chat definitely is a preferred method of communication because it's silent. I ask that you use it appropriately. And then headphones or earbuds can help you focus. So I recommend them. Now, when we move back to traditional learning, again, I expect students to be active in class daily, same as remote. If you're in class, you need to have your microphone off unless you're speaking to the whole class, including the remote students. Camera, again, is optional because it's going to slow the computer down. Still need to use chat appropriately. But if you're in the classroom, I'm going to require headphones or earbuds because having all the different sounds going for however many students happen to be in here would be very distracting. So headphones or earbuds are a must. Social distancing. So this is a picture of the bulk of our classroom. Currently, I have every seat spaced out to where there's at least 6 feet between each seat in the classroom. There's an extra table in there that's wedged in. Nobody will be sitting there. But this is how our classroom currently appears. Beyond that, AVID is a class that is available to our students in 7th and 8th grade, but we use AVID strategies throughout the entire campus. So it promotes writing, inquiry, collaboration, organization, and reading skills. We encourage students to use C notes and focus notes and calendars to stay organized. Okay, one more time, here's my contact info. Please reach out with any questions. We're here as much as we can be. I hope that we have a great year, whether you're choosing to have your student attend in a traditional fashion on campus or if they will be remote.